morning, Jerson. Thank you for taking the time to meet. I wanted to provide an update on our team's performance at the home show and discuss some issues we've observed.
Good morning. What's happening with the team?
So, overall, the team is performing well, but there are a few concerns. Anna Armstrong, one of our courtesy staff, has arrived late twice and has been occasionally distracted by her phone. So, this has slightly affected team morale, and some staff have commented on it negatively. And the scheduling for the kitchen build has been challenging because only two trade people can work at a time, and some newer team members like Simon, Seidel, need extra guidance with the new kitchen prototype. So I believe these issues, if addressed promptly, can be resolved without affecting overall performance.
Okay. What steps are you taking?
My plan includes, which is one-on-one counseling with Anna, reinforce expectations regarding punctuality and focus, and to motivate the engagement. Second is to mentoring for newer tradespeople. Simon will be paired with Sharon Alcorn and Yusef Patel to gain confidence and the efficiency with the new kitchen build. And third, performance monitoring. I'm tracking KPIs such as punctuality, engagement, and visitors, and completions of the assigned tasks. So immediate feedback will be provided daily. And additionally, I'm preparing a short refresher for courtesy staff on customer interaction techniques to boost the confidence and the consistency at the stand.
So, how will you measure if these interventions are successful?
Well, compared to actual performance to the predetermined criteria from our HR briefing report, courtesy staff arrive time, arrival time, engagement with visitors, and the accuracy in collecting customers' data. And while the trade people, kitchen build quality, adherence to schedule, and the ability to explain product features. So I will report the progress daily and the implement further collective actions if needed, such as additional mentoring or briefing coaching sessions.
Sounds good. Make sure to document everything for future reference.
Absolutely. So I'll compile a performance report at the end of the show, including the interventions implemented and recommendations. So for future projects, this will help refine our processes and ensure smoother team management in the future.
Excellent. Keep me updated.
Will do. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Yay!
Done.